Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TradeC. So once again in today's video we are going to discuss about a few stocks that can show a good up move in the coming days. So do keep these stocks in your watch list. Also, if you haven't watched our previous videos, do watch them out. Although a lot of stocks have already rallied, but still there are a few stocks that are yet to show a good rally. So watch those videos out as well. Okay, so coming to the first stock for today, that is Thirumarai Chemicals. The stock is currently trading at 179 rupees 85 paise. It has almost given a breakout, or you can say is at the verge of giving a breakout at the levels of 180. So this stock is a must buy above 180. And if you see over here, there's a rounding bottom pattern formation. The stock had last visited these levels in the year 2018. So this will also be a multi breakout for Thirumalai Chemicals, and we can see targets of 193, 198, 209, 214, 232, and after that 245 as well. So Thirumalai Chemicals is the first stock for today. The second stock that we are going to talk about is Mannapuram Finance. So in Mannapuram Finance, if we see over here, we are at the weekly time frame, and right now already the stock has given a breakout from its rectangular pattern formation. This area was acting as a stiff resistance if we see around the levels of 180, 81, and this area was acting as a good support that was around the levels of 141. The stock has already given a breakout from here. Also, if we see the second thing, the stock has come to the levels of 2020 Jan, and the stock is about to give a breakout above this as well. The levels are around 195, 196. If the stock takes out these levels, we can see the targets of 209, 228, as well as 253 coming in the stock in the coming days. So Mannapuram Finance is the second stock that should definitely be on your watch list. The third stock that we are going to talk about is DLF. In DLF, we'll go to the daily time frame. Currently, the stock is trading around 334. Firstly, the stock has already given a breakout from its cup and handle pattern. Secondly, if we see, the stock has reached the levels of 4 March 21. Once again, the stock has reached these levels. In March 21, when the stock hit these levels, it fell down. Once again, the stock is over here, has come over here. Also, there's a rounding bottom pattern formation, as well as the resistance of 330.34 stands over here. So right now this stock is also a good buy. The targets that can be seen in the coming days are 350, 373, and 393. Also the stock can go beyond the levels of 390. Another interesting thing to see is that the stock is visiting these levels after the year 2010. The stock visited these levels in the year 2010, and after so many years, once again the stock has come to these levels. So DLF is another stock that should definitely be on your watch list. The fourth stock for today is Apollo Pipes. In Apollo Pipes, if we see over here, we'll go to the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, there is a falling wedge pattern breakout. The stock gave a breakout of its falling wedge pattern, came in this area to retrace this. The stock retested this trend line and once again bounced back from here. Stock is also good by these levels. The levels that can be seen in this stock are 1182, 1209. If 1209 or 1210 gets taken out, we can see the levels of 1256, 1300, as well as 1337 levels coming in the stock in the coming days. So Apollo Pipes is another stock to watch out for. Also, if you see over here, the volumes were very good on Friday. The next stock is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank is also a good portfolio stock and should be a must buy at every level. ICICI Bank over here, if we see, coming to the daily time frame of ICICI Bank, this stock has also formed a rounding bottom pattern formation and has already given a breakout. Very soon we can see the levels of 682, 693, 715 plus levels coming in the stock. The stock is currently trading at 676. And also, sorry, Apollo Pipes, if we see, is trading at the price of rupees 1160. So the next stock that we are going to talk about is Caplin Point. In Kaplan Point, we will go to the monthly time frame over here. And in the monthly time frame over here, if we see, the stock is visiting the levels of 2017, and once again the stock has reached these levels in 2021. So right, if the stock breaks out above these levels around 795 levels, currently the stock is trading at 791. So we can see the levels of 814, 852, and 911 plus levels coming in the stock very soon. So Kaplan Point is another stock that should definitely be on your watch list. So another stock for today is Godrej Consumer. In Godrej Consumer, if we see over here, we'll go to the weekly time frame for this. Okay, sorry, daily time frame. Okay, in daily time frame, if we see over here in Godrej Consumer, the stock is about to give a breakout of its ascending triangle pattern, and the stock has been consolidating around these levels. If you see the levels of around 978 980 levels since a very long time, and the stock is again at those levels. So right now the stock is at 980, and this stock is also a very good buy. Also, if we see over here, this stock is visiting these levels after the year 2018. In 2018, the stock had visited these levels, and once again in 2021, the stock has come to these levels. The targets that can be seen in the stock are 1011, 1046, 1100, and after that 1161. So Godrej Consumer is another stock for today. Next stock that we are going to talk about is Tata Coffee. In Tata Coffee, we'll move to the daily time frame first. So the stock has given a breakout from its rising channel pattern. That is number one. It's almost at the verge of a breakout. If you see over here, has almost given a breakout. The stock is currently trading at 208 rupees. And this stock can also be a good buy as of now. The stock, we can see the targets of 213, 230, and 248 coming in the stock. One more thing, if you see over here, the stock has given a breakout of 184 levels. If we move to the weekly time frame for this, these levels were tested in the year 2017 and also in 2012. So Tata Coffee is another stock for today. The last stock that we are going to talk about is Lakshmi Organic. In Lakshmi Organics, we'll move to the daily time frame ones. In Lakshmi Organics, if we see, the stock has given a breakout from its rectangle pattern. Right now, the stock was consolidating at 238, 240 levels. The stock has already given a breakout. After that, the stock is standing at the levels of 272. This stock is also on the verge of a breakout. If the stock breaks these levels of 207, right now the stock is at 272 rupees 65 paise. If the stock is able to sustain above these levels, we'll go for a buy for the targets of 275, 286, 297, and after that 308 as well. So these are the stocks for today, and I hope you liked our video. If you find our videos worth it, do subscribe to the channel, and even if you don't, as always, thank you so much for watching.